Example 4. Draw the projections of a cylinder resting on HP with one of its base and axis parallel to VP. The diameter of base is 30 mm and axis is 65 mm long. Also, it is given that the cylinder is cut by a section plane which is parallel to VP and 8 mm away from the axis. So here, in this question, the solid given is cylinder, and it is mentioned that it is resting on HP with its base and the axis is parallel to VP. So this is a simple case of a cylinder directly resting on the HP. So that the top view will be a circle and the front view is going to be a rectangle. The diameter of that circle would be 30 mm because the diameter of base is 30 mm and the axis height is 65 mm. And here it is also given that it is cut by a section plane. So now by reading this line we understand that this is a question of section of solid. It is cut by a section plane which is parallel to VP and 8 mm away from the axis. So the section plane's relation is given with respect to VP and its distance is given 8 mm away from the axis. So it is simply a question where the section plane will be vertical, which means it is going to be perpendicular to HP because no other angle is given here. So we need to assume that the section plane will be directly perpendicular to HP and it is given it is parallel to VP. So now first we have to imagine this. Now here you can observe the cylinder resting on directly on the HP. So the top view is looking like a circle and the front view is a rectangle. And here the important thing is the section plane. Now you see that I have bring the section plane, but I have to make it such a way that it should be parallel to VP. It is parallel to VP now. As you can see, it is vertically upwards and it is perpendicular to HP. Now I have to place this section plane such that it should cut the cylinder at a distance 8 mm from the axis line. Let us assume this is the distance 8 mm from the axis, that is from the center of this. Now you can observe here from the top view easily. When I remove this portion, you will be having leftover with some circle, but with there will be no complete circle here. So without planes, now it will become easy for us to imagine this. See here, I am removing with the section plane. So this is going to be our final top view actually. So when you view it from the front, it would appear something like this, and you need to observe the yellowish lines which are appearing on the left and right hand side of this front view. They are indicating that that portion has not been removed, and the top view is rather very simple. So now we will see how to draw this in the drawing sheet.
The top view is a circular portion and the front view is a rectangular one. First we will draw the circle because it's easy to draw, and afterwards we can project the lines and we will get the front view. So for drawing the circle first we need axis lines. So I am going to draw first axis lines. So you can take anywhere portion in the sheet and you can just draw the axis lines. Again I am using the 2H pencil because these axis line are not part of the solution but they are just required to draw the circle. The diameter of the circle is 30 mm, which means that the radius will be 15 mm. So I am going to draw the So as mentioned in the question, the axis height is 65 mm. Now I will take the height as 65 mm and I will complete the front view. So this front view is completed. So as it is mentioned that the section plane is
Parallel
to the VP, so we need to cut the top view. So the first point would be to from the axis
take 8 mm.
in front. This is given in the question actually. I have taken the small line also.
Now you can observe here that I have taken the one line here which is at a distance of 8 mm from this axis, because in the question it was mentioned that the section plane is 8 mm away from the axis, and also it is mentioned that it is cutting the solid parallel to the VP. So if this is the top view, as we have seen already, we have to cut here. Already I have shown you that we have to cut here. So I will take the axis line here and I will do some dimensioning part also here. So now you can see that this is the cutting plane I was talking about. As you can see, I have taken 8 mm distance also here, just to show you. See that this is 8 mm and this is the cutting plane here, 8 mm away from the center, that is the axis of this solid. And also you can see that I have taken, when where the section plane is cutting this circle, this top view, I have projected lines from that point and I have named that point as A and B. So if this is A, this will become A dash, and if this is B, this will become B dash. I have projected this line above. So simply this whole portion will be in section. As we have seen already in the explanation part, I have shown you that the some left and right hand side of the front view was appearing in yellowish colors. That I told you that that was because it was not in the sectional part. So here inside this is the section only. So I will do the sectioning part inside so that it will look something like this. So this is the sectioning which are done at 45 degrees sectional lines. So this is the final top view and front view, and you can observe that I have darkened this portion here and I have left this with 2H pencil only, and this line should be with dark pencil only. So this is the final solution of a cylinder which is cut by a section plane to VP. As you can see here, section plane, vertical plane, they are parallel to each other, and this cut portion has been removed, and this distance from center to the section plane is 8 mm. If this is the center, this distance is 8 mm as we have seen already. So this is going to be your front view and top view, and you can observe some yellow lines at the corner. This is what we have drawn in section, the removed portion. So this is the sectional view and top view.